How to hide reposts on TikTok. So all you have to do is to go here directly to your TikTok application, right? Now it will lead you directly to your homepage. So on the bottom part, you'll see six different options there. I mean, five different options. Tap on profile here and it will lead you to your profile section. Now you have to go here to repost section here. On the middle part, you will see this two arrow sign here. So here, basically, you will see the videos that you just reposted that are actually visible to your friends. Now, to be able to hide your reposts on TikTok is on the upper right. You will see three dash lines there, the burger icon. Tap on that and go to settings and privacy. Now, here on settings and privacy, I want you to tap on or go to privacy here. Tap on privacy and scroll all the way down up until you see repost there, and basically just turn off that. As you can see, I do not have any repost option. It's because it's not yet available to my country. Since it's not yet available to my country, all you have to do is to wait, or you can actually ask TikTok for a remedy. You can actually report it to problem by going here again to your settings and privacy and scroll all the way down up until you see support and about, then tap on report a problem and basically just discuss or explain your problem, saying you do not have the repost option there. And the next thing that you want to do, since you want to hide your reposts on TikTok, is you can actually set the videos to private instead of tapping it as repost, since you do not want others to see it. So basically, that is how you hide reposts on TikTok, and that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.